JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, brace for adverse weather conditions, says Met Service. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. Jamaicans are being advised to brace for adverse weather conditions beginning late Wednesday as a strong tropical wave moves across the central Caribbean. The tropical wave is expected to move across the island today. Afterwards, it is projected to develop into a broad airflow pressure southwest of Jamaica on Thursday. This system is expected to linger across the western Caribbean through to early Saturday, and adverse weather associated with it is expected to affect the island beginning late tonight and lasting through to Friday afternoon, the Met Service of Jamaica said. During the period, expect an increase in showers, thunderstorms, and strong gusty winds, the Met Office advised. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.